Hi, I am Rohit J. Smith, and in this video I am going to describe you about herbal treatment and Ayurvedic cure for erectile dysfunction problem. The erectile dysfunction is characterized by inability to create erection of penis. If at all some erection is there, one is unable to maintain it. The erection of penis is essential for penetrative sex, be it vaginal, oral, or rectal. Non-penetrative sex relates to self-sex or masturbation as well as stimulation by using different objects such as toys, and also requires erection. It culminates in ejaculation. The sexual pleasure lasts till ejaculation for male as well as female. The female enjoys the hard and erect penis, and the moment it is no longer so, she even gets irritated due to premature ejaculation. Drugs, cavernous disorders, neurogenic disorders, aging, kidney failure, and surgery may be possible causes of erectile dysfunction. The psychological reasons include stress, anxiety, mental disorders, and negative feelings. Lifestyle deficiencies include smoking and drinking that are detrimental to healthy sex life. There are numerous drugs and pills available claiming to stem the rot of erectile dysfunction. However, they all have side effects and harm some way or the other. It can also be cured by surgical procedure under which the anatomical structures, damaged nerves, or blood supply are repaired or removed. All these do not cure the disorder completely. The blues capsule and mast mood oil are the best treatment of the erectile dysfunction. Both these are highly effective herbal products that can cure many sexual disorders. The capsule has ashwagandha, khazar, shilajit, and long, pipal and many other herbs and plants as its ingredients. These ingredients are in use since time immemorial in curing sex-related disorders. While ashwagandha provides general strength and stamina, shilajit reduces stress and tension. All other individual ingredients are capable of providing immunity, increasing blood circulation, and enhancing sexual capability. The capsule being made of natural herbs are safe, and can be used for long periods. The mast mood oil is massage oil for the penis. It lends strength to the nerves of penis and makes it capable of full erection. The oil also is conducive to penetration, and the female partner feels less pain during that time. She can better enjoy the sex if one's penis has been massaged by this oil. The oil also has natural herbs and plants as its ingredients, and has no side effects. One can take 2 capsules twice daily, for around 3 to 4 months along with application of this oil on the penis for getting the best results. One can safely recommend these 2 herbal products to those suffering from erectile dysfunctions. Buy blues capsule and mast mood oil from worldwideweb.dharmanis.com.